Hey, and welcome back to the channel. This is just a little clip from something very special that we're working on for you guys. We're actually working on a free crash course for anyone who is interested in the Kindle Direct Publishing business model. A lot of you guys have been asking questions, and I'm trying to get back to as many as I can, but we did want to make something for you guys just to help you along on your journey if you're just getting started or if you're stuck. It's going to help you to create your first couple books or your first few books on Amazon and be profitable with little to no money to start. So this is like, the quote poor man's version. This is the version if you don't have a lot to invest, that's okay. KDP offers such an amazing opportunity for people, no matter where you are in life, to just get started and start making money. And there's very few business models that are that unique and that offer like just an even playing ground for everyone. As long as you can do the research, as long as you work hard, as long as you are innovative and creative and passionate, you can be really successful. You can make enough money to pay some bills. You can make enough money to supplement your income. If you're working a 9 to 5 that you don't currently enjoy, you can potentially quit your job within like months. And that's something that some people are thinking about right now. There's people who are losing their jobs, unfortunately, so they don't have a choice. And, they're afraid of, what's going to happen if they don't have that income coming in. KDP answers that question for a lot of people. You can make money in this way. And the good thing is people are home. People, kids are home. Students are home. So a lot of people are reading books. A lot of people are buying books. So this is your chance to be providing just quality books for them. So, that's kind of why we wanted to just spread the word, spread the message about this amazing business model. So we are fixing up a crash course for you guys, free. We're going to put on our channel, so please subscribe. And this is just a little clip from it. I'm teaching currently, I'm at the section in the course where I'm going to show people how to use some of the research tools that we talked about. Actually, one of the research tools, just one of the research tools that we talked about for how to find profitable keywords, so you can get ideas of how to make your book, or you can get ideas of what kind of book to start with, right? So yeah, we suggest that you go ahead, if you're in Google Chrome, I think Firefox has it too, but get the add-on called AMZ Suggestion Expander, and we're going to get started. Open up an incognito tab, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So sorry if you hear any noise in the background. People are downstairs and they're kind of loud. But yeah, anyway, let's go. Okay, so the cool thing about this add-on is that it gives you suggestions for keywords that exist on Amazon for like anything. So let me type in, for example, cat journal. So yeah, we've got cute cat journal, black cat journal for girls. All of a sudden it's populating with different things, right? And let me think of something else. Oops. I can't spell under pressure. Okay. So anxiety journal brings up a whole bunch of stuff. It brings up anxiety journal for women, kids, teens, anxiety journal with prompts, depression and anxiety journal. So it's giving you keywords that you can add before your current search term. These are all potentially profitable sub-niches that you can create books for. So I'm just going to go to this one. And already we see that it has bestsellers, thousands of reviews. It's hard to compete with really big ones like that, but let's see what else is here. Let's see if you create a book that's good and doesn't need to have thousands of reviews. Let's see if you can still make some money, right? That's what I'm doing right now. So here's one. It's called the Anxiety Check-In, a guided journal. And that's another keyword, guys. That's the thing. When you're looking at keywords, you're going to find other keywords. You start to go down a sort of rabbit hole where you're seeing the same words repeating themselves on different books. And that's how you find even more keywords. So we're seeing things like burn after writing. That's something to watch out for. Daily affirmation journal with prompts. Those are long tail keywords. The mindfulness journal. So mindfulness journal is a keyword. When you start to see words repeating themselves, like long tail keywords, then that gives you a pretty good idea. that these are words that people are searching for. Quieting anxiety. I think I've seen that a few times as well. Gratitude, a daily journal. And you can look these all up, of course, but yeah, let's just go with the first one that I found right here. Okay, so it's not even that old. It came out April 3rd of 2020, so it's not even a year old. 48 ratings, 4.5 stars, doing pretty well in terms of customer feedback. But let's really see how it's doing. And you can find out how well books are doing based on their rank. Yeah, 49, parody, 46, 42, longevity, but its overall bestsellers rank is really high. So on all the books on Amazon, it's 22,819. Books that are under 100K you can be sure that they're selling at least one book a day, and that is ideal. So if we want to know just how many times this book sells daily, what we could do is go to this awesome place called, I'll show you. It's called Kindlepreneur. It's got a sales rank calculator. So when you type in different numbers into here, different seller ranks, they spit out how many books have sold approximately for that rank. So for example, 22,819. That's its seller's rank. And by the way, make sure to toggle the right one. You want it to be books. You want to know how many books are selling, not Kindle books. Books. So it's selling 9 books a day, which is really good, especially at the price of like over $13. Amazing. And let's look inside this book and just see like how complicated would a book that's similar to this, and remember, you don't want to copy people, but a book along the same lines, a book that has, the same keywords, a book that's targeting the same audience. What would that book look like inside? What would you have to do if you were making it yourself? Or what would you hire someone to create for you? Is it going to be really complicated? So we've got cute graphics so far. But when you go down the page, okay, it's got a little introduction. And then it just looks like it's a bunch of prompts. This one says draw a circle in the center of the page. Then draw a face that represents your current mental state. So, okay, it's prompt pages basically. This one's saying, what are your wellness goals? What do you want to accomplish within the next week, month, or year? And it just goes on, and it's just little prompts. Pretty simple. You can assume that most of the pages inside look something like this. This is low content, and they're doing very well with this. This doesn't take too long to create, guys. So yeah, just one idea for how you can discover profitable keywords, profitable sub-niches, using a free tool like AMZ Suggestion Expander. So definitely check it out. If you don't already have this tool, you need to go get it. Go ahead and download it. And thank you so much for watching. Look out for the next part of our course. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's free. We just want to spread the word and just kind of give back to all the awesome subscribers that have jumped on this month. And yeah, even though we're excited about this business model, I just want to reiterate that we're not just a KDP YouTube channel. We talk about many things here, including manifestation, law of attraction, just our, random thoughts. But we are here to inspire, and we do want everyone to be able to live a life that they love. And in order to do that, we do believe that finance is really important. It's important to be financially free. It's important to have a quality life where you're not stressing about money. And that can be rough in a pandemic. So yeah, that is why we are coming out with these style videos. But don't be surprised if we come out with other content. We hope you'll still love it anyway. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.